My name is Dr. Muntasar Al-Mansouri. Today I want to show you something. It's very nice things. I have the business card for that today. But today, no need business cards. Finish the business card. New technology with the business cards. First, it's very nice wallet. Number two, it's very nice quality. Today you have the new technology for the business cards. It's a plastic, and also he have illumination, and you have also the metals. You can do it anything for your photos, or you can do it anything. And also he have barcode. How he working? This one. If you have the telephones, anyone he tell you, can you give me your business card? What you do it? You do only trusting in the telephone. He's coming all here the detail for you. See that? See? He's coming your name and also Facebook and Instagram and anything you need it. If you need this one card, no problem. I can show you where this technology, the business card. The one company is named this. You can dial the number for him and you can show him which card you need. Today, finish the business card. It's new items, business card, technology.